So in this video, we are required to write 175% as decimal and as fraction. This is a very straight to the point problem, and we don't have to. So 175% basically is the same thing as 175 over what? 100. So we are writing it as a decimal first. All right. So 175 over 100 is the same thing as what? 1.75. So it has been presented as decimal. Okay. Then the next one is we have to write it as a fraction. So 175%, don't forget, it's the same thing as 175 over what? 100. So let's see how we can reduce it. So if you look at it, we can use 25 to decompose this. 175 divided by 25, that is what? 7. And 100 divided by 25, that is 4. This is an improper fraction. Basically, we can turn it to mixed fraction. 4 in 7, that will give us what? How many 4 can we see in 7? That is 1. Remainder what? 3. So that 3 will be divided by what? 4. So this one is as what? As fraction. So I want to believe you understand what I've done here. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and make comments, and so as to know how we are doing with our production. See you in the next video. Thank you.